Today, we're stepping into the world of extreme automotive excess with the 2026 $500,000 monster pickup truck, a machine that's completely redefining what a pickup can be and why it's blowing up across YouTube right now. Because this isn't just a truck built for work, it's built to dominate streets, deserts, mountains, and social media feeds all at once. From the first viral clips, people knew this monster was different. Towering ride height, aggressive stance, and a presence so intimidating it stops traffic before the engine even starts. And that visual shock factor is exactly why creators can't stop filming it and viewers can't stop clicking. The moment the engine fires up, the personality of this monster pickup becomes clear. With a thunderous exhaust note that sounds more like a supercar crossed with a trophy truck, instantly setting the tone for what this machine is all about. Under the hood sits an insanely powerful engine setup designed to deliver brutal acceleration despite the truck's massive size. And YouTube creators love capturing reaction videos of passengers being pushed back into their seats as this giant launches forward like it weighs nothing. That contrast between size and speed is addictive to watch because your brain expects slow and heavy. But what you see is fast, violent, and unapologetically aggressive. One of the biggest reasons this 2026 monster pickup truck is trending is the insane amount of custom engineering packed into every inch of its body. Built with military-grade materials, reinforced frames, and advanced suspension systems, this truck is designed to survive extreme abuse while still looking futuristic and luxurious. Slow-motion footage of the suspension articulating over rocks, dunes, and obstacles racks up millions of views because it showcases how the truck absorbs punishment that would destroy normal vehicles. The massive off-road tires, beadlock wheels, and custom axles give it a stance that looks almost unreal, making every shot look like it came straight out of a high-budget action movie. Inside the cabin, the $500,000 price tag really starts to make sense, and interior tours are some of the most popular videos on YouTube because viewers want to see how luxury and brutality blend together. The cabin feels more like a high-end private jet than a pickup truck, with premium leather, carbon fiber accents, massive digital displays, and advanced infotainment systems that control everything from drive modes to suspension height, ambient lighting. Custom stitching and handcrafted details turn the interior into a statement of power and status. And creators often pause to show every detail because audiences love seeing where all that money went. Technology plays a huge role in the monster pickup's viral success because this truck isn't just big and loud, it's smart. Advanced driving assistance systems, terrain mapping, adaptive suspension control, and real-time performance monitoring make it capable of handling extreme environments with confidence. YouTube videos showing the truck automatically adjusting ride height, traction settings, and power delivery in real time are incredibly popular because they highlight how modern tech has transformed even the wildest machines into precision tools. Viewers love seeing how the truck adapts seamlessly from highway cruising to hardcore off-road action with the push of a button. Exterior design is another major reason. This monster pickup dominates thumbnails with sharp lines, armored body panels, massive grills, and aggressive lighting signatures that make it instantly recognizable. Cinematic shots at night showing the LED light bars cutting through dust and darkness are some of the most shared clips online because they make the truck will look like a futuristic war machine. Custom paint finishes, matte textures, and exposed hardware give it a raw, industrial vibe that perfectly matches its performance. And creators know exactly how to frame those details to maximize clicks. Performance tests are where the monster pickup truly goes viral, with drag races, hill climbs, sand runs, and extreme off-road challenges drawing massive audiences. Watching a vehicle this big accelerate hard, climb impossible slopes, or blast through rough terrain is pure entertainment, and the sound, speed, and sheer chaos of these runs keep viewers glued to the screen. Some creators even compare it to supercars and hyper SUVs, and while it's not built for lap times, the fact that it can keep up in straight-line runs shocks viewers every time. Durability and build quality are also hot topics in comment sections, because people want to know if a truck this expensive is actually usable or just a showpiece. Videos showing the monster pickup being driven hard, getting muddy, scratched, and pushed to its limits answer that question clearly. And that authenticity resonates with audiences. Seeing a $500,000 truck treated like a real-off weapon instead of a garage queen makes the content feel raw and real, which is exactly what YouTube viewers crave. Another reason this truck is trending is the lifestyle image attached to it, because it represents ultimate freedom, power, and individuality. Creators often film cinematic road trips, desert adventures, and mountain climbs, turning the truck into a symbol of escape and dominance over any terrain. These videos aren't just about the vehicle, they're about the feeling of owning something so capable that no road, trail, or environment feels out of reach, and that emotional appeal is incredibly powerful. Community reactions drive even more views, with comment sections filled with debates about whether the price is justified, how it compares to other high-end monster trucks, and whether it's the ultimate pickup ever built. That discussion fuels reaction videos, comparison content, and deep dives, keeping the algorithm feeding more monster pickup content to viewers who can't get enough. By the end of the video, it's clear why the 2026 $500,000 monster pickup truck is dominating YouTube trends. Because it delivers everything audiences want: insane power, extreme design, cutting-edge technology, and pure visual spectacle. It's not built to be sensible or subtle. It's built to shock, entertain, and prove that when money meets engineering ambition, the results can be something absolutely outrageous. And that's exactly why people keep watching, sharing, and coming back for more.